Hi there, welcome back to Chuo, your go-to platform for exploring university courses that align with your future goals. In today's video, we're talking about one of the most respected and demanding courses in the world, the Doctor of Medicine. If you've always dreamed of becoming a doctor, helping others live healthier lives and making a real impact in your community, this could be the life-changing journey you've been looking for. So, what is Doctor of Medicine all about? The Doctor of Medicine program, often abbreviated as MD, is designed to train students to become professional medical doctors. This course is rooted in the biological sciences but also requires a deep understanding of patient care, disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. It's not just about textbooks and lectures, it's about learning how the human body works, how diseases affect it, and how to treat patients with both science and compassion. Doctors are essential members of the healthcare system, playing a central role in diagnosing illnesses, prescribing treatments, performing procedures, and guiding patients to better health. Let's take a look at what you'll study in this course. The MD program is usually divided into two main phases, preclinical and clinical. In the first few years, you'll study subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, and pharmacology, all of which build your foundation in medical science. As you progress, you'll enter the clinical years, where you'll rotate through major hospital departments such as internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, and psychiatry. These clinical rotations are hands-on, allowing you to interact with real patients under the supervision of experienced doctors. You'll also learn medical ethics, communication skills, and how to take medical histories and perform physical examinations. Now, what are the key things you'll walk away with after completing this degree? By the end of the MD program, you'll be fully equipped to diagnose and treat a wide range of diseases and medical conditions, prescribe medications, and perform essential medical procedures. You'll be trained to work effectively as part of a multidisciplinary healthcare team and to communicate clearly and empathetically with patients and their families. In addition to clinical expertise, you'll develop strong critical thinking, decision-making, and problem-solving skills, all of which are crucial in high-pressure situations where timely and accurate responses can significantly impact patient outcomes. Let's talk about the career options available to you. After completing your Doctor of Medicine degree and passing your medical licensing exams, you'll officially become a general practitioner, able to work in hospitals, clinics, health centers, or private practice. From there, many doctors choose to specialize further through postgraduate training. You might become a surgeon, pediatrician, gynecologist, cardiologist, neurologist, psychiatrist, or even a medical researcher or lecturer. There's also the opportunity to work in public health, health policy, or international health organizations like WHO or UNICEF. The medical field offers diverse and meaningful career paths, all centered around improving human health. Now, what makes this course stand out, and what challenges should you expect? What makes the MD program unique is its intensity and its purpose. You're not just learning for exams, you're learning to save lives. It's one of the longest and most demanding university programs, often taking 5 to 6 years, followed by internship and potential specialization. You'll need to commit to long hours, emotional resilience, and continuous learning. It's a mentally, emotionally, and physically challenging path, but also one of the most rewarding. You'll witness both suffering and healing, and you'll need strength, empathy, and professionalism every step of the way. The Doctor of Medicine is more than just a degree. It's a mission. If you're passionate about health, driven by compassion, and willing to dedicate yourself to years of serious study and practice, becoming a doctor could be the most fulfilling journey of your life. You won't just treat illness, you'll become a symbol of hope and healing in your community. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the course better, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Chuo for more helpful insights. And if you need personalized advice, feel free to reach out to our team. See you in the next video.